If you're an SAP professional, cloud architect, infrastructure consultant, or AWS engineer looking to specialize in one of the highest value enterprise cloud domains, the AWS Certified SAP on AWS Specialty certification is one of the most strategic certifications you can earn today. As organizations worldwide accelerate their SAP transformation journeys and migrate mission-critical SAP workloads to AWS, the demand for professionals who can design, migrate, operate, and optimize SAP environments on AWS continues to grow rapidly. In this video, we'll cover what the AWS Certified SAP on AWS Specialty certification is, who should pursue it, the complete exam roadmap, the most important topics to master, common exam challenges, and why the book AWS Certified SAP on AWS Specialty, PAS-C01, the complete scenario-based practice exam book, can significantly improve your chances of passing on the first attempt. Let's get started. What is the AWS Certified SAP on AWS Specialty certification? The AWS Certified SAP on AWS Specialty certification validates your ability to design, implement, migrate, and operate SAP workloads on AWS. Unlike general AWS certifications, this exam focuses specifically on SAP environments and tests your understanding of real-world enterprise architectures, migration strategies, high availability, disaster recovery planning, performance optimization, and operational excellence. This is not an entry-level certification. It is designed for professionals who already have experience with AWS services and SAP systems and want to demonstrate expertise in running SAP workloads in the AWS cloud. Why is this certification important? SAP systems power some of the world's largest enterprises across industries such as banking, manufacturing, retail, healthcare, energy, and telecommunications. As organizations modernize their infrastructure, AWS has become one of the most popular platforms for hosting SAP workloads. This has created strong demand for professionals who understand both SAP and AWS. Earning this certification demonstrates that you can design SAP-certified architectures, implement high-performance SAP environments, execute complex migration projects, build resilient disaster recovery solutions, optimize enterprise workloads for performance and cost. These are highly specialized skills that can open doors to senior cloud architecture, SAP infrastructure consulting, enterprise migration leadership, and cloud transformation roles. Exam overview. The AWS Certified SAP on AWS Specialty exam, PAS-C01, consists of 65 questions and provides 170 minutes for completion. The exam is heavily scenario-based. Rather than testing simple memorization, AWS presents real-world enterprise situations and asks you to determine the best solution based on business requirements, technical constraints, recovery objectives, performance needs, and SAP certification guidelines. Success requires strong architectural thinking and practical decision-making skills. Understanding the 4 exam domains. Domain 1. Design SAP workloads on AWS. This domain focuses on architecture and solution design. Key topics include SAP HANA sizing methodologies, SAPS-based capacity planning, storage architecture design, high availability strategies, disaster recovery planning, network architecture, multi-AZ and multi-region designs, AWS service selection for SAP workloads. You should understand not only AWS best practices but also SAP certified deployment patterns. Domain 2. Implement SAP workloads on AWS. This domain evaluates your ability to deploy SAP systems effectively. Topics include EC2 instance selection, high memory instance families, SAP HANA installation approaches, operating system requirements, storage configuration, security implementation, performance validation, infrastructure automation. You must know when to use specific AWS services and instance types for different SAP workloads. Domain 3. Migrate SAP workloads to AWS. This is one of the most critical domains. Migration-related questions are often detailed and scenario-driven. Important concepts include homogeneous migrations, heterogeneous migrations, SAP HANA migration strategies, database migration approaches, AWS migration services, SAP migration tools, downtime optimization, cutover planning, rollback strategies. Candidates should understand migration decision-making rather than simply memorizing tools. Domain 4. Operate and optimize SAP workloads. Once SAP systems are running in production, operational excellence becomes essential. Topics include monitoring and observability, backup and recovery, performance tuning, security management, incident response, capacity planning, cost optimization, operational best practices. Many questions focus on maintaining reliability and business continuity in production environments. Most important topics to master. If you're preparing for the exam, prioritize these areas. SAP HANA high availability, SAP HANA disaster recovery, SAPS-based sizing, storage selection and performance benchmarking, multi-AZ architectures, multi-region disaster recovery, AWS backup strategies, networking and connectivity, security and compliance, migration methodologies, SAP Certified Infrastructure Design, performance optimization. These topics appear repeatedly across multiple domains. Common challenges candidates face. Many candidates already understand AWS. However, the exam frequently tests whether you understand AWS solutions within the context of SAP requirements. A solution may be technically correct from an AWS perspective but not align with SAP certification requirements or operational best practices. This distinction is where many candidates lose valuable points. The exam rewards architectural judgment rather than simple memorization. Why this practice exam book stands out. One of the biggest challenges in preparing for PAS-C01 is finding realistic practice questions. Many resources simply repeat AWS documentation or provide overly simplistic quizzes. What makes AWS Certified SAP on AWS Specialty, PAS-C01, the complete scenario-based practice exam book different is its focus on realistic enterprise scenarios. The book contains more than 750 exam-grade practice questions covering all 4 domains: design, implementation, migration, operations. In addition, it includes high availability and disaster recovery cheat sheets, storage selection guides, networking and connectivity references, migration tool comparisons, security checklists, SAPS-based sizing guidance, storage benchmarking concepts, rapid revision summaries, exam day preparation strategies, acronym and terminology glossaries. The structure mirrors how AWS actually tests candidates in the real exam environment. Instead of memorizing facts, you learn how to analyze scenarios and make the correct architectural decisions. Recommended study plan. A practical preparation roadmap would be: Weeks 1 and 2. Review AWS Core Services, EC2, VPC, EBS, IAM, Route 53, CloudWatch, and Backup Services. Weeks 3 and 4. Focus on SAP Architecture Fundamentals, SAP HANA, S/4 HANA, NetWeaver, Storage Requirements, and Sizing Principles. Weeks 5 and 6. Master Migration Methodologies, AWS Migration Services, and SAP Migration Tools. Week 7. Study high availability, disaster recovery, security architecture, and operational excellence. Week 8. Take full-length practice exams and focus on scenario-based decision-making. The goal is not simply to remember facts but to develop the ability to solve enterprise SAP challenges under exam conditions. The AWS Certified SAP on AWS Specialty certification is one of the most respected specialty certifications in the AWS ecosystem. It validates a rare combination of SAP expertise and AWS cloud architecture skills, an increasingly valuable capability in today's enterprise technology landscape. If you're serious about passing the PAS-C01 exam, focus on understanding real-world scenarios, architectural trade-offs, migration strategies, and SAP certified best practices. And if you're looking for a resource that closely reflects the style and complexity of the actual exam, AWS Certified SAP on AWS Specialty, PAS-C01. The complete scenario-based practice exam book provides the structured practice and depth needed to prepare with confidence. Thank you for watching, and best of luck on your certification journey.